Hello Gaians, how are you? My name is Christian and I'm here and I'm going to talk with you about this week activity, smart cities, and in the main topic of economics. Okay, so we are going to talk about the one specific city. In my case, is Asper in Vienna, and we are going to talk about the different measures and I think points that surprise me. Okay. Let me share with you my screen. This is Asper. Okay, Asper is in Vienna. It's located near Vienna, around 15 or 20 kilometers to the city center, and it's a strategic point because Asper is near to the principal airport of Vienna and the main roads and highways in that space also. And I've chosen this city because it is a pilot project in Europe. So this is a really innovative and important project in Europe. In the case of the smart cities, where the agents that in that case they are citizens, the Austrian governments and the companies has participated in this project, doing a brainstorming and to put in common their ideas about this smart city. So because this is a project really important to the future of the cities, of the smart cities in that cases, because smart cities are really necessary in nowadays. Yeah. Okay, so one of the measures that, well, in that picture we can see that is really close. Yeah. Asper is this circle. Meanwhile, Vienna is this circle, okay, with the main routes and something like that. I think that the most surprising measure for me is the building. Is the building because the building has implanted a special software that allows it to collect informations and data and optimize it. In fact, about the material, I think that glass is the key material of this kind of build because glass favoring the entry of lights and avoid the energy consumption. All of them have installed the fiber optic, and on the roof there are solar panels. We can see here. Okay, there are a lot of solar panels, I think, in every building. So this energy is captured and stored in a large tank, which allows energy to be recycled for certain occasions of storing, of consumption increases, something like that. In fact, they have connected between the different buildings that allows to share energy and in a proportional and efficient manner. Yeah. And regarding the water supply, that it's very important for me because currently I'm working on Canalizar Segunda. This is the best water company in Madrid. So Asper has a rainwater collection system with the purpose of using them for irrigation and public places. And in fact, they are currently studying the option of reusing this water through the filters on the roof, in order to be used in the household chores. Yeah. Okay, let me continue now. Okay, so as we can see in the picture, one of the measures of this project is that everything is thought. Everything is strategically thought, because the form of Asper is around circles that we can see here, or it's the same. Okay, one of color and one without color. In the middle of the city, we can see a huge lake. So this is really important. This is really important because they want to be a green city, ecological, efficient, sustainability, so with very green spaces, and the lake is really important. It's like the main square of this city. So one aspect that I think that is really important is the city's has built, sorry, with a main road that it could be to communicate two parts, okay, and in the best way. I think is in order to make the places are more connected to each other. Yeah. So this smart city contains residential areas, company offices, schools, and even an exclusive research center. So this is a very exclusive and pioneer project in Europe and in the world also, because this is a new city. Not is a city like London, Tokyo, Singapore, that they are really smart cities, but Asper is a new city. So they want to create a new city from zero, and they want to bring out the people and to live there. So this is a really innovative project. Yeah. So okay, so let me continue. Okay, this, I think this measure is the best important for me, because this is the first city in the world in which there are no private cars. So it's really innovative, this, because its streets are empty of cars or motorcycles. So you can only access to this necklace by public transport or by walking. So with this measure, the aim is to reduce pollutions, to avoid emissions from these private cars, and to be a very green city with a large gardens and multicultural spaces. So there are only one tram that connects the city center of Vienna with Asper in around 20 minutes, I think so, and only hybrid public buses can access it. Yeah, so this is a really innovative measure, I think so. And currently, even they are working on the creation of the underground line as well. Yeah. So the next one is, this is around this. I think this is something like here in Madrid, like a Bicimat. Okay, in that case, it's named Asper Bike. So in Asper has a great culture by bicycle. So the project is named like Asper Bikes. So I think this project encourages the use of it and doing sport as we can see in the picture. So it's really similar that Bicimat in Madrid. So here we have the different benefits of this kind of city, that improve the environment, safe, quality of education, better communicative. So I think that smart cities is the future. So it's a key concept that everything has to be aware of it, because the new future, so the new city, our new life, has to be in a smart city, because we have to save our world. So this is a very, 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 very important way. But also this concept keys development in the future, there are certain negative aspects. In that case, Asper must face to because Asper is really focused too much on the use of the air transport. So which is less sustainability and the maritime on the land transport. So this is an aspect negative, or negative aspect that Asper has to be aware of it. And finally, here we can see a picture of the real Asper. Okay, this is a program. This is a program that it is expected that in 10 years this city is fully built and efficient and effective. So in that image we can see an aerial view of the distribution, that we can see them empty streets, big squares, no private transport. So I think that this is the unique opportunity in Europe and in the world also, and I think that this is a really important way to be aware of the importance of to care about our research, because I think currently everything around the world is is going to be aware of it. So that's all. I hope that that this presentation could be great, and thank you so much. Thank you, Gaians. If you don't know nothing about anything about the Asper, I recommend it to you to know and to search on YouTube or to search on Google anything about it, because it's a really innovative program that I think that most of ourselves in the future could be live in this kind of city. Okay, so thank you all, and thanks for your attention. Bye. Thank you.